at White Noise Academy would like to thank Mr. Ravi Taluri for having spent 3 days with us sharing INCRA Creativity Workshop. The children have learned and were excited about learning new things from him, something that they can take home and do with things at home. The creativity has come to a level where the children had opportunity of working entirely individually as well as collectively in groups. We, as team leaders, were able to bring out the best in each child and make them work as a group. Having said that, I'd say that this is an amazing experience, and I think the children will cherish this. Thank you.
Hi, so this is about the INCRA workshop that we inculcated with our summer camp program. It's a 3 days program that was planned. It's very good to know that how an industry experienced person comes down to this level of teaching kids and teaching other art enthusiastic people to know about what is the creativity side that they have to come and bring out of them. So in these 3 days, everyone, including the children themselves and the adults and the faculty members, everyone enjoyed the session, including me, when we had to again got a chance to remember our school days, the childhood days when we used to do all this artwork and bring out that creativity. So it's very clearly seen that there is no boundary for creativity. Whatever things we have around us, anything can be made out of it. It's clearly seen from his experience that he has done things, he has built things from scratch to something which is very valuable. So the gist of this workshop is that it's not important that you have to run behind money or the cost or the value of it. Whatever resources you have, you can make something useful out of it. So all these 3 days, when the first session we had about the making the dresses or something useful out of newspaper, the second is a roller coaster or using the cups, the cardboards, the balls and all that. So that had an engineering aspect of it, means how and we can use things to make it work, not just making something out of it, also to make it work. And today an abstract art out of just 2 letters which were written like a childish handwriting of W and N, but making something out good out of it, and it brought all the creativity out of kids, whatever they wanted to bring. So this is kind of helping them to get out of the box rather than the regular activities, or maybe some kids still have that childishness in them. That is very important, but adults, we in a daily routine, we forget about it. And also the grown-up teenagers, they get caught up with all this technology, the gadgets and all that, say the creativity is getting buried somewhere down. So these kind of workshops actually help them to be away from the gadgets and then bring out the creativity. So kudos to Ravi Garu for bringing up this workshop. We truly appreciate it, and we are glad to get associated with them. Hope to see many more workshops like this with him. Thank you very much.
So we just finished with a 3-day creativity workshop by Mr. Ravi. It's called the INCRA Workshop, and it was a great experience. A lot of education today is putting children in the box and making them color in the lines. So this was a refreshing break from that, where children were allowed to explore their creativity and run with their imagination. Other than the creativity angle, what I really liked about the workshop were the social issues that were addressed, like inclusion, looking after the parents, and not discriminating against anybody based on how they look or where they come from or how they speak. So I think those are very important issues that need to be addressed, and Mr. Ravi did a fantastic job in making the children reflect and think about these things which they normally don't. So through the course of the 3 days, the children worked on creating a dress out of newspaper and building an amusement park, making roller coasters and swings, all out of scrap material. And that really allowed them to think out of the box, and they had the joy of creating something with their own hands and then seeing, even presenting it to the others and sharing that experience with each other. Well, it allows them, one, to express themselves, even the ones who were shy and in their shell, through the activity opened up because everyone was working together in a team, and the teams were a small, the number of participants in each team was small, so that allowed for more interaction. And by the end of it, they felt a little bit more confident as well, that, you know, they can create something of their own, and even the scale of it can be whatever they want it to be. It can be small or big, and they're allowed to do that without any specific rules in place.